Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back. I am still hanging out in Sutter Creek, California, the cutest, tiniest little town. Such a lovely, lovely place to come spend the weekend. I'm actually right across the street from the Sutter Creek Inn. I just did a garden tour in yesterday's video with landscape designer Kathy Landgraf, and it was just so beautiful. And Kathy told me I had to come across the street to what I think is the most amazing store I've ever been to in my entire life, because it takes two of my most favorite things, gardening and antiquing, and put them together. And I am at the Antique Gardener Antique Nursery. They have plants and they have antiques, and I think I just want to live here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I would spend so much money here.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I haven't been in the kitchen area.
Oh my gosh, this is so
Going
cute.
in there. You have to go in there.
Oh,
Pretty cool.
it's like oh, it's plants, coffee, and sunshine. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at this place. Everyone say hi to Greg.
Hey!
Greg, you're introducing me to the coolest people.
Aren't they cool? Gardening people are the best.
Gardening people are the best. So here's the inside. This is like the antique side. And then we come out here and it's the garden center. It's the nursery. How cool!
What a nice surprise.
Oh yeah, we're at AT&T now.
Agrostima?
It should be, yeah. It's like blooming, because that's what blooming has a whole series of little.
Look at all these ivy. This is amazing because surprisingly it's really hard to find ivy and ivy topiaries like this here in California. These are so cute.
We're selling little bunches of it, and I'm like, oh, it's starting to get it.
All right, everyone, I want to introduce you to Aimee. Aimee is the genius behind the Antique Gardener. Antique Gardener? Antique Gardener?
Gardener.
Antique Gardener. First of all, how amazing are you that you took two of the best things in the entire world and put them together?
That's the thing. They're my favorite things, plants and antiques. Yes.
How did you think of that? How did you?
My grandmother had an antique shop, and
Yeah.
my mom's an avid gardener, and
Yeah.
so I just kind of put the two together and I do all kinds of planted junk, and I like incorporating both of them.
I
So,
love it.
Yeah.
I love it. So how long have you owned this place?
So I have owned the business for 25 years.
Wow.
Yeah, it was ironic the name was ironic when I was 27. It's not so much anymore. And then we started out in Amador City and moved over here 18 years ago.
Wow.
So yeah, so it's taken a long time to develop this backyard. There was absolutely nothing.
This is my heaven. Do you know, as a gardener
Yeah.
who likes antiquing and all that
Yes.
kind of stuff. So can you show us around a little bit?
Oh, sure.
And let me just point out, you buy most of your plants from Blooms
Nursery. Yes.
where if you guys saw that video that I just posted with Ben, this is one of the places that they sell to. So if you're looking for Blooms plants, you can come here and get some antiques.
Yeah, and I absolutely love them because they carry unusual things. I try to, there's not a lot of other nurseries in our area, but we do have like a Lowe's, and so I want unusual
I love it.
things that are really good quality.
Small,
And
independent.
That's what they do.
This is just so cool.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous, Aimee. This is absolutely beautiful. So, do you have it all together? Do you have perennials?
It's just, this is kind of our shady area. We have, normally we sell a lot of cutting flowers, but we're kind of winding down. Right now we're just doing a lot of summer favorites, lots of zinnias and marigolds and
Look at this.
petunias and,
wow. Oh, this is just so beautiful.
yeah, and we try to carry a lot of concrete. I love vintage concrete planters.
Where do you find that type of stuff?
All over. I travel. My daughter and I have been to Texas twice and brought back a truckload.
What's the big
Round Top.
That's it. Is
Yes.
that where you go?
Yes.
Is that amazing?
Amazing. Everybody should go at least once. But if you go once, you'll want to go every other year.
Oh my, I would absolutely love to go. I have no reason. I have to invent a reason to go to make myself go.
Make it as a vacation. It's just the best people, the best little town.
Oh, how fun.
Yeah.
So what do you guys do? Get a truck and
We we flew out there and then shop it and then load up a U-Haul and drive our U-Haul home. We were scared to death the first year, but now we got it down.
But that's where you find all this beautiful stuff.
Yeah, just a lot of the more unusual antiques. But I find things at estate sales and, fellow antique dealers. And
Oh my God. You have the best job.
it really is.
You literally have the best job of anyone I've ever heard
Yeah.
of. You got to be around plants all day. You got to go shopping for antiques and get paid for it.
I get paid for it, basically. Well, we hope at some point.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the goal, at least,
Yeah.
right? That's the goal. Oh, this is so fun. So you said your mom was a gardener.
My mom's an avid gardener.
Aww.
My grandma had an antique store my entire life, so I think that started the love of antiques.
And then your daughter is doing this with you.
She is. She actually opened, there's Lucky Traveler Vintage, which is in our little shed back here, and she opened that when she was 14. And
my gosh.
She does all vintage clothing, Western type things.
Oh my gosh.
She's actually just started this year. She has started her own fresh flower business.
Oh my
And
goodness.
so she's now a flower farmer. She graduated from high school in June, and that's what she wants to do for a while.
Oh,
so,
my goodness.
Yeah, so
Wow.
it's just very...
That is so
I
neat.
guess it's all very genetic.
And
so.
and then that's this one right here?
Yeah, so hers is on the right. And,
Oh, okay.
And we have a little pop-up cafe in the shed on the left,
Oh my gosh.
but we're actually opening a second location next door.
No.
Where we're going to have Gardener's Market and good food, and it's going to be
Oh.
coffee, fresh flowers,
Aimee?
baked goods. So you'll have to come back.
Aimee,
and
I want to be
visit
your
this
friend.
fall.
I want to be your friend, and I want to hang out here all the time because this is so amazing. Plus, you're in Sutter Creek, which is just the cutest town
It is. Yeah,
ever,
it is.
right? It is such a great town to, I'm telling you, if you guys live in the Bay Area or the Sacramento area, or even like down south in Southern California, it's worth a drive to come here for the weekend.
I think it's worth a trip. Yeah.
Right?
Sutter Creek's really unusual and so original. I grew up here. It really hasn't changed that much.
And bring your car because you're going to buy stuff for
Yeah.
antiquing and everything like that. Oh, how neat. Now let me ask the important question. Do you take all the good stuff home?
I take quite a bit home. It's so funny though, but I reach a maximum capacity at home. So a lot of times if I find something better, I bring something back.
Oh, one in, one out.
Yeah. And I always laugh because as soon as I bring something from home, it's gone. It sells so fast.
That is so
So yeah. So people
funny.
like the stuff I like, I guess.
Oh, yeah. You have really good taste. Inside is really great. Even look at your umbrellas are just so cute. They're absolutely beautiful. And then I have to say thank you so much for talking to me because you have a pretty busy weekend, right?
I do. Well, we've got a lot going on this week, but my son is getting married on Saturday.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And that is just a couple days away.
Yes,
It's
yes.
just crazy.
So,
Are you stressed about it or you feel pretty good?
I'm not. I'm excited for him. Love his little sweet fiance.
Aw.
She actually worked here at the shop for quite a while.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Aw.
So no, just looking forward to it.
So
Excited.
very exciting week.
Yes.
Exciting. Well, I'm going to go around and shop around a little bit. But
Okay.
Thank you so much for talking to us and for
sure
showing
thing.
us around, Aimee.
Thank
This
you
is
for coming
amazing.
by. Yeah.
And if you guys stop by here, come say hi to Aimee.
Yes.
All right, so Aimee went back to work. I am going to look around. I'm going to shop around. There's so many fun little things to see around here. But isn't this the coolest place to have antiques and to have plants? And Aimee just told me they are expanding next door in this big, beautiful old building. And they're building kind of like grocery store, cafe type place. So this is definitely... This is definitely where I want to be. And I love that she said she gets a lot of her stuff from, like Texas and going up to estate sales and things like that. It's a curated collection, which I think is my favorite place to shop because that means somebody has looked at every single little thing and decided that they want to sell it. Old tools line against the shed. Plants growing up everywhere. This is just so beautiful. And this would be the type of place that, man, if they had like a little coffee shop or something like that next door, I would totally get some coffee and come and spend the morning here. This would be like something like this. I wonder what this is over here. Oh, that's a tasting room. Oh my gosh, you guys. See, wine tasting here, antique stores galore, restaurants, nurseries. So fun. Such a fun way to spend the weekend. And she has proven winners. So there you go. Look at that. All right, so let me go into, this is the Lucky Traveler Vintage, which is her daughter's place. Let's go in here. So this is like a little garden shed that she has turned into a vintage clothing store. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm cool enough to wear this kind of stuff, but how fun. Oh, look at these. Okay, now it's time to do a little shopping because there are so many cute things to see. It's antiques, but then it's also other stuff as well. Like this type of stuff. And this room with the spotlight is so pretty. Oh look, my favorite soil. Greenall. It's Greenall. They got Greenall. Look at these pots, they're so cute. She likes Florette too. Isn't this place fun, Greg?
It's a blast.
Oh my gosh.
It is a blast.
I'm filming on my fisheye lens so that we can see everything because it's pretty tight. Do you know what I mean? It's like an antique store, like tight, but
This is a place you get the people who are hard to find gifts for.
yes, I totally agree.
And then it's just really...
Like, look at these towels. I love these. She's got good taste, huh?
She has very good taste.
Man, she's got good taste.
It's just a fun place to come in.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what's cool about nurseries. They all are different. They all have their different jam.
And they're all garden people, which are the best.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, look at this pie safe. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I would love that.
How she displays. Think about it.
I know, look at that. Just love it. Morning. Oh, look at that.
That is a cute, and they're kind of spent. These are ones that didn't make it into a bouquet.
These are corn cockle.
These are corn cockle,
Interesting.
but super tall.
But even when they're with the foliage, they're wispy
Yeah.
and beautiful.
I have to say, I've never seen this flower.
Me neither.
And I feel like I've heard.
grow like
Isn't
a
it
weed.
fun when you feel like you've met all
Yeah.
the flowers and then you meet a new flower that you know, it's like, yeah, well, yeah.
You know what I'm thinking of? I'm thinking of cornflower,
Yes.
which is bachelor button, right?
And I actually have those growing together. They get about the same height because I do a lot of white flowers. We have all white sweet peas at home. We have all white hydrangeas.
Well, I bet
all-
your yard is amazing.
I bet it's incredible.
I love it. Yeah.
I was saying the white garden you did for Lubinko.
Oh.
That is not a white garden down there.
No.
No.
Opposite. But it's-
No, that is not a white garden.
This place.
You have really good taste. Like, really good taste. I'm like, oh my gosh, Dolly Parton. Oh my gosh. My life in rhinestones. If you see someone without a smile today, give them yours. They've got good t-shirts too. Oh, and is this the baby section? Yes. Oh my goodness. You guys, this place is so cute. Ooh, look at this guest book. How cute. Oh my gosh, this place is so cute. All right, you guys. Well, this has just been the most lovely day. Going to see the Sutter Creek Inn, going to hang out with Greg and Kathy, talk about plants and gardening, and then meeting Aimee here at the Antique Gardener. What a lovely place. I cannot tell you guys enough. Sutter Creek is a really, really special place. Jason and I went here for one of our anniversaries. It was a while ago though. It's been far too long, and I think it's time for another stay here, another weekend stay here, just to hang out and go shopping and eat and drink wine and just have a great time. So anyway, I hope this was fun for you all to see. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.